underneath it all, there is a field. Okay, some connecting medium. In science, when two things are connected across space and time, they call it a field. There's a field connecting them. And there is a deeper field. We know this in physics, it's called the 0-point field, you know, or the quantum, or the vacuum, the quantum vacuum. You could also apply the ancient spiritual insight of the Akasha, the Akashic field, which I've written several books on that. So there is this. Space is not empty. Space does not separate us. Space unites us. Everything that happens at any one point has an effect, and elsewhere at other points, in all other points. It's interesting, this effect is not a mechanical effect. Not I'm doing over here something, I'm doing something to you or to other people over there. What I am doing automatically and spontaneously is also happening to you. What is happening to me is shared. Nothing is entirely separate. So this is a new physics insight. No, it's not that new already. This goes back to the middle of the last century. But we know now for sure with all the experiments that there is an underlying vacuum field. The vacuum is not empty space. Actually, it's a field space. There are many radiations, vibrations, many waves, many events happening together. All those things are embedded in this giant universal field, which is the plenum, the fullness. The great spiritual masters have known this. The Eastern masters especially, but is everywhere there to some extent. And now, for the past 50, 60 years, it's been rediscovered. But we must also know that this affects us. We are not separate beings. We are deeply connected, deeply not just connected with some links. We are connected because we are intrinsically one. As I said, what you and I do, it happens to us, happens to everybody around us. That's our responsibility. If we don't act with it, then we bring incoherence into the world. And that's almost like a crime that's going against evolution. That is something that no rational being, conscious being should be guilty of.